Hello, good morning. Look what I've got. Grass parrot. Their color is green. It's beautiful. Look at that. And they're eating my fig base. Oops. This is nice. When you live in the farm, you see
The cat came from under the house this morning and went over there looking for something to eat.
They have a wild cat also. My husband buy a cat food for the wild cat. And the other night he gives a milk to the wild cat. But the wild cat, when he feel that we are coming, he ran off to the shed. Look at that. How beautiful is it? Grass parrot. Yay! Look, my garden. There you are. See, it's beautiful. Sometimes lots of them. I wanted to catch them, but I'm thinking maybe no. Maybe it's nice that they are free to fly around the trees, around the garden, in the fences. Sometimes lots of them on the trees and in the fences. Sometimes with the gala. Next time I'll show you the gala if they're coming here. The gala birds. Grass parrot. Nice to see us. There. So nice. Cute. Come here. Show your face. There. They're nice. Oh. There. Raming grass garden. Okay, see ya. Bye-bye. That's my roses. Yeah. There. There. My roses. My geranium. There.